That sound is pure adrenaline. Remember that feeling? The thrill of absolute control, the smell of electric motors, the dream of owning the fastest, toughest, coolest remote control car on the block? Well, that dream is more affordable and insane than ever in 2025. But with hundreds of models out there, choosing the right one is a minefield. Should you go electric or nitro? On-road or off-road beast? After crashing, jumping, and speed testing dozens, I've narrowed it down to the 5 best RC cars you can actually buy right now. The number 1 pick is an absolute monster that defies physics. Number 1. Traxxas Stampede 4x4 BL2's RTR remote control car. The Traxxas stamped RC car is our top choice because it combines speed, handling, and power better than any other option we tested. Its oversized monster truck tires aren't just for show, they provided great traction and grip on dirt and rocks, as well as concrete and linoleum. Even compared to more speed-focused cars, the Traxxas brings some notable zip. What impressed us most, though, was the handling. Even on uneven grass and dirt, we felt comfortable making sharp turns and precise movements at high speeds, and the vehicle didn't topple over. And it handled crashes like a champ. It took a few accidental head-on collisions into trees and fell as much as 3 feet off some rocks in the park, and was no worse for wear. Number 2. Bezgar Off-Road Monster Truck 2WD Remote Control Car. This well-priced off-road monster truck has working roll bar headlights, a spare tire attached to the back chassis, and an aluminum body that handles collisions at the truck's top speed of 12 miles per hour. Its feature-rich design is an excellent value for beginners and experienced RCers alike. The 2-wheel drive remote control car is on the smaller side, at 1/14 scale, but it has a powerful motor to keep it rolling for up to 25 minutes on its all-terrain tires. The 2.4 GHz remote works from a distance of more than 160 feet away. Number 3. Traxxas TRX 4M 4x4 crawler with Ford Bronco body. If you've got a love for model cars, this is the right RC car for you. This scaled-down Ford Bronco is the near-spitting image of the real thing, minus the less-than-ideal gas mileage. This miniature has grippy tires that match its slow, but powerful motor. Just like the real thing, this Bronco climbs over rocks and rallies up inclines with ease. We tested the car going up large boulders in the park, and while it never zoomed over them, it continued moving effortlessly. We of course loved the accurate exterior shell, but also found the interior body to be quite impressive. The TRX 4M has a flexible frame and suspension system that allows for easy climbing on uneven surfaces. It comes with 2 headlights which, when the Bronco shell is snapped on, only further adds to the look. Number 4. Traxxas LaTrax Desert Prerunner Racing Truck. If you want speed, try out this LaTrax Prerunner Racing Truck. While it may not win you any competitive RC races with professional builds, this is a hobby-grade car with some serious juice behind it for its size. Driving it around required a bit of adjustment time because of its quick acceleration and sharp turning radius, but that's exactly the type of challenge we love to tackle. The grippy tires and bouncy suspension also meant that this car picks up some serious speed outdoors. We drove it over hills and through rocks without losing any speed in the process. We love the way it spins and drifts when it has some dirt or gravel underneath it, and found ourselves trying to spin it around trees for fun. Number 5. Tamiya RC Nismo R34 GTR-Z Tune. Many of the RC cars we tested are off-roaders with thick tires, grippy treads, and bouncy suspensions. This allows them to drive quickly and responsively across tons of different surfaces like dirt, gravel, grass, and up rocks. This model from Tamiya is designed for the exact opposite. It features slick smooth tires and a low-profile design that's built for indoor play on hard surfaces like tile or hardwood. This is because the remote control car is built for one thing and one thing only: drifting. Just like stunt drivers on a movie set, these cars spin and slide across the ground for cinematic turns and stylish maneuvering.